I like my fish and pork. Once again, mahalo to the Honolulu Zoo. How about a big hand for the Honolulu Zoo gang? Holding such a wonderful event. Also, Uncle Roy Sakuma. How about a big hand for Uncle Roy Sakuma gang? We'd like to send this next song out to all the kupuna in the audience. Do we have any kupuna in the audience? So wait now. 58 and older is considered kupuna?
Oh, you gotta look at me.
Well, I am looking at the oldest guy in the band.
What do you mean at Roy then?
So do we have any kupuna in the audience? Please raise your hands.
I can say yeah.
Once again, we'd like to send this song out to all the kupuna. And, you know, of course, us younger generation, we always have to take care of our kupuna. Because they're the ones that set the foundation for us. Again, how about a big hand for all the kupuna in the audience? And again, we'd like to feature our lovely hula dancer, Sister Nyree Silva. This is a song that was originally recorded by a group called Olomana. I re-recorded this song on my homegrown Hawaiian album along with the Makaha Sons. And again, we'd like to send the song not only out to the kupuna, but to Uncle John Koko and his ohana. He will definitely be missed.
our final constant. How about one more Hanahou? And don't forget, his CD's on sale up there. Get Sean's CD. Take it away, Sean. We end the 2012